Today we're going to look at the push button start available with the advanced keyless entry system with the Mazda and the smart key fob. Now, there's actually 3 modes that you can sit in with the advanced keyless entry and the push button start. So we're going to take a look at all 3 of them and a couple interesting things that you can do with the key fob in the vehicle. The first mode we're going to look at is a mode not depressing the brake, but simply pressing one time on the push button start. What that's going to do is going to go ahead and turn on the infotainment system. Now, one of the main reasons why you might use this mode is if you did want to listen to music without having to worry about getting in and turning the vehicle on altogether. So if you want to go over here to your entertainment when you're in this mode, you can jump over to the entertainment and go ahead and listen to music without the vehicle expending any additional energy. The next mode you have access to is the second press of the start button. And what that's going to get you is a little bit more access to some of the accessories in the vehicle, but it's not recommended to stay in this mode for a long time. A lot of people will use this mode to actually just let down or let up the power windows or change the door side mirrors there. You also get the AC turning on at this point if you do need to heat or cool the vehicle quickly. But again, not recommended to stay in this mode because of the power that it drains from the onboard battery. The very last mode, you do have to put your foot on the brake to go ahead and start the vehicle. And that starts the vehicle all up regular like you would expect it to. But you do again have to have your foot on the brake to get into that mode. Going to give you full access to the vehicle's capacities. Now, one of the things that customers are always calling in about is what happens if I get that notification that this battery is running low and I can't run to my Mazda store or don't want to worry about myself trying to replace that battery before I get to the Mazda store. Well, this is what you do. Let's say for some reason the vehicle is off and it's not starting. The very first test that you want to take is the test that goes like this. Take the key fob, depress the brake, and go ahead and put it directly up to that start button. It's going to be the closest place that it possibly can be to the sensor, and you're typically going to have enough juice in that battery to show that the key fob is there. Go ahead and press the button with the key fob. The vehicle should start up, allowing you to get to your closest battery store or a Mazda location near you to get a battery replaced in your key fob. Now, if you do have any questions or concerns or are unsure about how to use your advanced keyless entry and start-stop system, please don't hesitate to comment below or come into one of our 4 locations in Tennessee or in Oklahoma. As always, subscribe to our channel, check out more features coming soon, as well as check out all of the other feature videos that we have available in our channel.